Yedi obi echi mfie nwotwe meka mo Akufo-Addo no bigiri yeso ono ankase toda na so tena se no hwe ade din a ohun se ye ya anka wanye ne sei and Bawumia amana na ado look stupid me na be catch ro enye me na mayo Bawumia na aye wa mana na ado look stupid
to me.
I don't know what kind of penny ya ma bicycle no ho. O say wo mitrim. Say na wo ba o me trim. O mitrim. O mitrim. She. Ba o me so e den o be pa Ghana factory master stop that rubbish. Bawumia, what's the upper Ghana fashion? Stop that baloney. Bawumia, what's the upper Ghana fashion? Stop that crap. Bawumia, what's the upper Ghana fashion? Stop that bogus, dilapidated, monarchical kind of political gimmicks. You know, stop that rubbish, sir. With all due respect to you. You are too mature and grown beyond this. When Falcon falls, nobody can stop falling. What are you talking about? You are apologizing. Ghana have, oh yes, I understand that was sudity. Or sans Listen, it's so disturbing, so dehumaning. And I was just watching him apologizing, and you could tell from his eyes that he was not sincere. Pachopo video no mama na mencha wade bi wom. Said
research ewie. Yenim se aban any party ya ye mfomso
pause dibechin kakra ya ye research na wie tieni yo o se wa ye research awie na ye hu se aban no aye mfomso adete na MPP for twen ye na o mu fi aban mu aso mo ye sa mfomso research no adete na omo tena ase se nipa wu ekom di nipa emerwa ne nkwakora waye adwuma so man no ma wo nya sika mfa nta aduane ndi na mom ye fi aban mu ase akoye sa research no. Is it not the same this guy calling himself Bawumia, who the whole MPP including myself we touted that he's the economic messiah? In government nobody could conduct any research to determine whether or yes Jimina no mu Jimino ese omu jai. I'm sorry boche facha me no pay cause many abere mbadwuma opa ho acha wo time na ye ka kira wo say pada me ba nyame che obu ni nsa o de ba mu no pad ne boa ye den na wo Bawumia wo a wo head of the economic management team what me kukukuru tax e de abeto so bam ye kan mantie yen anamwa ye okay fa no to nchen na mo sori a mo chichi nkrofo te say ye tie kura ase eto boa bon kotre metie yi ase ewo fanko me maami e bakisi edu ma ase o kwayo o maami agi wo mankasim na anopai wadidi me se ma da bi ba me waye na se o se brafie na bedidi metu ka mi kodi na security fo abecheme adenti amakoka said the presidency is involved in Galamsey and then yachi Abronye moye muti na mo hwene na mano zombie zubri say niyama bi say say people are criminalizing speech. Rubbish. And never who says so be kasane yechena. Say nye. GH boy or teche no bo ojai much energy nai. Ye kwadu national security. Abi bit me hwe nyame anim ka kire yen say ono no de no ye mahi kura na ogina kire no. Oto na odin say me aso ojai. Eti GH boy ojai keke na obonti. Ese say ye fa many GH boy kwato sell. GH boy o kakasa ben. Much in the wallet. No mobile force me answer. Besi ne monfa ma GH boy. National security force somewhere akrom for mu wi GH boy. GH boy here den. And then ya tira Abronye say na musuro. Oh, Mahama na tiri mu asempa me donya me. Me ye mampani na udi matema me nchewo. We ye me fiu. Now, who can be a bother on national security? Who bet them? I don't make catch your plane. It borders on national security and it borders on the integrity of this country. Who be your MP sir? Mama dream your juma. No mabu botai. No mudi actually. No. Mokas a lot of crime to zoom. Yay. Bawumia say then ya research. Bawumia we taxi momo no. Why ya research? Yay. Wuja hospital ya ko Kumasi. Ya first say the Mahama say ko de betu kufo no ya first say. Military hospital no afari muja afari yesi hono Bawumia manya research yey Kwame Nkrumah the GH court fee so be hwe from abesi na akwa ne boye ne yey osage for bad GH fee so be hwe from say pepra moton scraps Bawumia manya research manya research. Huh? Torina Bawumia manya research after do akwaya research me na ne fan so kan se mi kire me pa cho asem wo ya making enya Bawumia na mi di na tem de me na ne fan so kan na meka no o se kwasia no ne on pepa nto kwasia e no ne a ma men kan fan se no kan no wala wo ye mu nsho ole kojo me nana Abba I don't know what's it. Count down ya sabro me yakwa wosre. Abba no nya on papa nutu. No lo ko du baby odawa no nutu ode twu de. Abba no nya on papa nutu. Na okodu baby odawa no nutu atwu de. Ma me famre twi na te ase. Abua na so ne a on papa ne to. Na okotu baby adua wa no de ne to atwi na ne to aye kuro. Odi dua esi baabi wuni ma de wo dua no ho no pese ode pepa nto e fa nso na ka kire me ana kwa kubi cham so ka cham se wuti dane a wadwen wo so me na kwa kubi cham na ka kire me se ria se woni se wuti e dane a on se wuti hwe so no te se wadwen ne kowiem ti nyame boye ti no wan fa nhye na ase me na kwa kubi cham so ka cham se wuti dane a ma wuti fi soro be hwe fo ma wadwen no wo so MPP fo adwen no omuti na dane adwen ne wo so opa ho achewo that time na we introduce economic management team no na we nim research yey and now wakoya research afen we who say na mudi nsamfo Ghana for me catch them say me answer na me jaya adwuma we abedi wo so no obi abeto me nwum ne bi once afi Bawumia na ebe pa chewo etichina MPP for che me no 39 times in 2 years no na mo che me ye den say na wonim say mudi nkwase asema Why did you arrest me? GH boy obo ojai. Tabrante we afie do baby no. Mr. Shandoff man warning. Mr. Nyama kura de no hye. Koyo. Sanke. Awu GH boy. To the fool. Meyirejo. Ekasa ozechuo. Ojai. Wani? Ojai. Wait. Who is Jiminy? Me be ready because GH boy. Also Jiminy. These were just sound bites. But pressure by media general penny force to a certain point to say, na GH boy Jenny Huanje. He says suspended moi. Or this suspension. Cause of more jay. 1 whole month without salary. Ha, pardon moi. And then, who be pay a towel? Said yo, GH was so one cowboy at 10 and so. Time na. Now what to radio stations imuno. Ni TV stations imuno. Na research ni ho. Atu ediso, Bawumia, atu ediso mwa. You see, Ghana politicians, you can't so much about home. It's a master NDCD and interno. Aya nyesa manu na ya o. Nyesa mpese me do atemu. Me pese wo tena se dwen. Enti na me kasa no. Ebushafo, bia me kasa na no den, but I don't have a choice. Esese wo ti asese ye bu man enye political party ye ni. And that's right. When I'm chrome hana would defend it. Akufo-Addo. Now one listen near my why na Bawumia panacho? Are you apologizing to me? Or tumfo? Napo on an SCS or ya Santini. Napo on SCS. Naka Santini, Yamfa Asantehemaa ni agro. It is a way on Hinibia or Chrome ha opaka the obeka, ya Asantehemaa no, Yabasumane da. Opak ye de obe ye opaka de obeka, ye Asantehemaa no. Yabasumane da. Nanapo ye dum kania ma otumfo enkwan nene niama saya nanapo atimi agina simpie so aka chen say ye enkofe timetable mra. Otumfo kasa ye na de chenye na po betu sa yampia no e ma Asantehemaa. Se opa ho acha opa Asantehemaa acha. Ana hwan ya? Dollar ni dwane na ye ka kire wo no. What the question Russia Ukraine war. It is say Russia so pa o ma cho say o mo kwoto say Ukraine so ana say Ukraine so pa na cho say o ma no kwan say Russia to sha so. Bawumia, so who are you apologizing to? Masa. Ye nim nyansa pa na yeti krom ha wo. Ya dwen ye djuma bruta. COVID buy Ghana ye tria taxes my revenue consumer Ghana Revenue Authority and declare say we met to me exceed one revenue target. Meanwhile, Shadi ane ekoswaha kruim. Bawumia, are you apologizing to the people who died because of COVID? You told the whole world, sir, you choose Ghana card over 3 interchanges. I said 10, no. Mommy, you choose Ghana card, just a card. Even America, even Donald Trump will not choose a social security card in America over an interchange in America. But as myopic as you were, as of that time, what did you say? I will choose Ghana card over. Now when the NPP force to Tibon Koso, no so one question more. As a body we were Pentecost, I saw them. Yeah, worship of ground about them. Who are you apologizing to? Everybody here say, who pay a choice or catch and say, Wafa, Ghana card, chain interchange, chain hospital. Yeah, Bawumia, are you apologizing to us? So we catch Ghana for say when ya kukuduro kwatra obi show so asempa mwa. Say Pualugu Damo Sadei, it is the greatest project. Vice President to Dintro. Wait, me and research. Bawumia, you did not conduct any research under the sun as a certain vice president. You had virtually every single department under your care and control. You can just pick a phone as a certain vice president as of that time to call the MCE. This year, no, baby, Adam, no one. You can even call the regional police commander. You can call the BNI director. You can call the regional minister to go and just find out for you. As of that time, you could not conduct any research. A whole PhD holder. Now, yeah, what's the Afei in Central for Konya who says a hokura for grade akura newer. So who are you apologizing to? Are you apologizing because you were a liar? Or you are apologizing because you don't know the future? Hey! And you see, as novice as we are in politics, we would accept this flimsy, rubbish-induced apology. And what is it? Really? Are you apologizing for? Say, hey. Samo monaponu. Edidi yenye kwame nkromatem. Is that what you're apologizing for? That time that we need research. You were following MPP. Forgetting the achievement of Osadifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, and you appointed somebody, a political riffraff, to come and insult our Kwame Nkrumah. Are you apologizing to Kwame Nkrumah? Well, or who are you apologizing to? Me catch must say MPP, echo opposition we are. Wombe who say sen na sabi eburu sabi enyado empaniti na wodi nkwasasem. Oh yeah, mama no interchange video no mo hwehwa mam. Bomam.
Inherited a problem of no unique national identification system. This has been with us since independence. We have implemented the national identification system of the Ghana card. And we have today 16 million Ghanaians with unique identities. And that is a major transformation. And maybe a lot of people sometimes don't even appreciate what the impact of the Ghana card is. But if you gave me 1,000 interchanges and a Ghana card, I'll choose the Ghana card because it has more
impact. Person higher. One say nyansa for to na one ten when no me nyansa for so be amon sem. Smart. Obaba ko she green to no ye ndisi atade color na she no. Eh wa kan wi. Ma me no she green to no. Na ndisi woni trim kakra. No person pamba o me fi akonwa so no bo ne sem man say ko so kan kwa sem.
Campaign attention.
Sir, woman me interchange is maku 1,000.
If you gave me 1,000 interchange Ghana card, I'll choose Ghana card. If you give me
Ghana card. Now watch this. I am not downplaying the impact and the benefits of identifying individuals and citizens in any country. But watch this. What what was the identity of the Ghanaian when Kwame Nkrumah built the Akosomo Dam?
Captain Smart, the king of morning.
Kwame Nkrumah say Akosomo Dam no, na Ghana card way.
If you gave me 1,000 interchanges and a Ghana card, I'll choose the Ghana card.
Osi Tamahabo, na Ghana card way.
If you gave me,
Ghana card, they say Ghana card na so far so one saying.
He is smart.
Kwame Kwame Nkrumah.
Smart.
Also Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Ghana National. Apam Secondary. Infantiman. Suesco. Winneba Secondary School. Na Ghana Kadoi.
He is smart. He is unique.
That you all your motorway, no?
Captain Smart is the king.
Years back when Kwame Nkrumah was constructing the motorway. Na Ghana Kadoi. And you see, hey, you are dealing with what you say, Banya, yen Canabonte, and Qualagro, Ghana Card, and Qualagro.
If you gave me 1,000 intakes,
because I can authoritatively tell you, sir, half of this population will be card nibi. Because National Identification Authority, like I said, we print cards, we print Ghana for 15 million. Most of them say 30.8. To say 30.8, now we print 15 million. 15.8 now can Ghana card we.
Campaign attention.
Ghana for woman Ghana card a year, but the year you hear. You hear so, you hear crying, you hear school papa, you hear school dime papa, you pay Juma, you pay Bible. When in Yama you hear, you don't come and stand on Simpie to tell me rubbish.
Campaign attention.
But then he so sorry he say me be president. Ghana for car. You hear Bawumia chopper no, bo.
He is smart. He is
the opposite do ya na. Ya research we. Bomam.
Captain.
Yenim say, aban any party. Ya infomso. Ya infomso. Bebre ewo ye governance no mo niema wo ho a afise ye beye yanye ye mebi su wo ho a ye anka ye hu from the background so a ye
try ye hu a background there research. Hey, this guy is touting himself to be a PhD holder in economics.
Campaign
and the whole economics PhD holder. You could not see from the seat you were sitting as a vice president that research. Anyway, Boye.
Mijina yenyina ye kahobi. Vice President, ministers, MPs, board chairman, appointees. Yenyina ya from so pacho mon fan che and why mon fan che.
I don't want Akufo-Addo din. You have to find the X. Money din. Oh yeah, the Bryan Acheampong so sorry ya. Bryan Acheampong so ko jina simpie so say. Hey, every before omo bugana for say omo ye moa. I'm telling you today, whether you believe it or not, sa party na da ho no. I've been into it before.
Morning shows.
And let me tell you, the crop NPP ni now. Sa Akufo-Addo led MPP no. Sa team no. Mo ebedi yeso from 7 January 2017. Ebesi 7 January 2025 no. Sa ankrofo no. Omo bugana fo ina se ye moa. Obi owo mu bia no. Sa Ghana fo tibi to abama sa ankrofo na wo sa aban mu. Ma ne be di president a. Ye betimi de acid ayen kwan.
Odo ha no. Mo to amamia.
Me donya mi se Ghana for to be to abama wo mu ba akoma ne be di president okroma me ka bibia say ye betime the acid ayen kwan ye wu
odo ha no mo to ama
me na me ka kire wo
to ama Nilante Vanderboy
Bryan Acheampong so say dey bo Bryan Acheampong say one bo
MPP we adwuma ye ye hye niam ni bi was e wa ban mu ye ntimi anwie and what say a bind
Shase no bia hu so no na shase so okasa na shase
campaign
kwachi
baba ye campaign hote MPP we adwuma ye ye hye niam ni bi was e wa ban mu ye ntimi anwie and what say a bind bia etena ho ema sebe onipa de ni sika ema aban na ebeduru mi bi no aban ebeti ni sika no so
yeah pause that time na Bryan Acheampong no ya assemblyman o Morocco. Hey, that time na san kwase sem we ekoso okrom ha no na Bryan Acheampong di assemblyman e Morocco
campaign attention
na Bryan Acheampong ya assemblyman e Morocco Ken Oforiata Akufo-Addo no ankasa Bryan Acheampong no opeso ototo Ghana japade no di assemblyman e Morocco mbwa
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
Eni kwasa Ghana for the sika ma aban na aban ne tete sika so na Bryan no ni Ghana no ndi minister or ya assemblyman e Morocco producer to aso
Emma aban na ebedru mi bi no aban ebeti ni sika no so MPP ba sa nipa 2320 a omo ka wo debt exchange no ho no e ka mo boy for mre tintin a ye beba power no MPP a mi gidi se meda no sika bi akokam no Dr. Bryan Acheampong ba be di o mampeni no obetua mu sika ba mo
wa she wa Ghana for we na me koka say Captain Smart di asem we Captain Smart ko bia na no se sia e be ka say hey Captain Smart di atem that time no na Bryan Acheampong no ya assemblyman of Morocco GH one da say
mete wana na ma ezeke ahwodi maninya ni dompe eradia oye for no very empwasu
me da so nyame na yi ye fi sa nkrofo we nsem o GH it took the intervention of God to rescue us. I'm telling you today. Nyame na ji Ghana fi sa wudifo we nsem. Bryan Acheampong time na ye gigi ye sika. Nkwara nketenkete ya boy ye bra akoto bonds, ato treasury bill. Woni Akufo-Addo ne hwan mu gigi ye sika no na wudi assemblyman wo Morocco. Now who nim say enkwase ade na mo ye no. You didn't know say ade na mo ye no nyansa nim.
Makani ye kra. Ojai.
You didn't know. Eti yen tena ho and you think Mahama say some mo. Hey, Mahama say sika no start it here so we man catch oh, they don't even know Ghana.
Ojai.
Ade a wo munima me say won we di na sa Akufo-Addo na chiro sa papa no ho.
Makani ye kra.
Me say ono na say so pa Ghana chow anyo be brands wawu. Hwe tebiye won we di na chini nyina no say Ghana for to be hwe nyame nim to abama ba ko pe man di president a me say ye betimi the acid ayem kwan adi yewu.
muntia wa wasem
Say Bawumia Bryan Acheampong kwan po bi na ka ho Kennedy Kennedy so ndi minister on na yere na kwaji sika so koye street light awanye ba ko bi so ka ho anyone aka say it be to Ghana for to be hwe nyame o hata so ho yanim so waje ye film kuasum muti say eto abama won adi Akufo-Addo achi enye MPP o Akufo-Addo achi Emma ba ko pe be di president ye betime the acid ayem kwan anom yenwu
muntia wa wasem